sunset.
I believe I can fly.
Hey everybody, so we're going to have a beach day. Normally I would buy pizza, but you know, I'm trying to be a little frugal with my money, so I'm just packing them some sandwiches. I got some cheese raw here. Karina doesn't like cheese, so I just made hers with no cheese. Probably gonna pinch hers on the side so I know it's hers. We're gonna go to the tide pools in La Jolla. That's a really nice place to hang out. I brought them there last time with their friend, and they really liked it. It's a really nice place to hang out. It's not too crazy. They have like little hermit crabs they can play with, and it's just a nice spot. So Miguel's probably gonna meet us there afterwards. Trying to tidy up the house before we leave so we don't have to worry about it. And Miguel's not gonna complain about it. So we'll see you in a bit. You ready?
Yes.
Are you ready? Finish your sandwich. So we're gonna bring a little lantern. Don't mind the mess. We got our food packed. Thanos is gonna stay here. Sorry, buddy. Our clothes. Ready to go. Go ahead and put your comb in there. So we're finally situated.
Yeah, guys. So you're gonna vlog
In
driving?
the car. No, that's dangerous. I'm just showing them that we're done. I packed food. The girls are hot. We're ready to go. Brought a candle. Get a little romantic. Brought a flashlight. Brought kumot. It's a banig.
Yes. Actually, I don't know what kumats are.
Kumot means blanket, and a banig is just like something you lay out. I got some umbrellas too. Miguel has a canopy from our friend, but your girl trying to get wrinkles. You feel me? Bye, Win. All right, so we'll see you there.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Zaya, pick up the blanket. We made it. This is our little setup. Got food. Sun's going down, so I brought like this little lamp thingy to light up. Blankets. It's nice today. High tide, the girls are having fun. Just waiting for Miguel. We used to come here when I was younger. I remember my mom taking me here, so it's like really fond memories that I have here. Careful, is it cold? They have really cool like things here too. They have like hermit crabs and stuff. It's kind of high tide, so can't really see much, but let's try to find some. Oh, look, she found a hermit crab. Let me see. No, Azaria, that's a snail, babe. Oh, you see it?
Yes. They feel like just.
They have really small little pools like this. Last time it was like super low tide, so we can find it a little easier. Like baby crabs and stuff too. Oh, like this, watch. See, like they have little crabs and stuff. Hold on. They're like little communities. Isn't that cool? The girls really like it here. Look at that, it's so tiny. They have these little things. Look, there's like one right there, and then when you touch these, they're really sticky. They go back in.
It's a crab.
Is that a crab?
Yeah. Oh.
Look at it come out.
I found a crab. I found a crab. I found a crab. It blows up when you touch them. Ah, water! Oh! It's right there.
Really neat too. Usually this isn't filled with water and like kids can swim in it. La Jolla and tide pools are really nice to bring your kids. They're trying to get the crab. Karina, just try and grab it. It's the closest thing we're gonna get to Hawaii. See how It's usually like all the way over there, like past that rock. But it's high tide today. Got a little crabby.
Put it in here, Auntie.
Got a little crabby. Make sure you let it go soon, okay?
Okay.
Don't shake it.
Will it bite you?
There was just a sea lion, but I don't know if it's gonna come back out. As you can see, I got convinced to go in the water. Karina, do you like going in the water?
It was fun, but it's cold.
Sorry, not giving 2 F's. Look at her. What a loser. So we've been going in the water and it feels really nice. I mean, personally for me, I'll go in any water. But look at this. This is so pretty. Careful, you're gonna fall in. So right here, look at the water lifting. And it's going like really high. Oh my monkey feet. Like this current right here, I think is gonna be pretty strong. I want to get in, but I'm scared that see how high it goes? Look how high it's going. Oops. See how rough that is? But it's so pretty.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Hey guys, what's up? Daddy's here.
Look who came.
Hey guys, what's up? My dad's here. I'm getting water because over there I'm making a tide pool, so
Nobody cares.
we're gonna do it. Nobody cares that you broke your elbows. Nobody cares that you broke your elbows.
Karina, careful, there's sand on there.
No one cares.
Broke your elbow.
Yeah, you're Thomas, and nobody cares about you.
Did you like the setup?
No.
Big feet.
The hell?
Anna!
Stop it.
Huh?
Stop recording me.
So Miguel fell asleep. Ew. I was staying on my tube. He fell asleep. And I'm just here in this paradise. Oh, look. Oh, it looks so nice. Just here in this paradise. Oh, we got these people passing by. I'm gonna try to stay here till nighttime. I brought that little candle, so I'm gonna have a little romantic time while Miguel sleeps right here. But he's tired. He has that second job. It's a really nice day. I don't know if you can see it. The girls are trying to make tide pools or something. Oh, the sun takes a lot out of you. Oh, but it's really pretty. I'm glad we came. This motherfucker right here trying to be sneaky. Looking for food. Because Miguel gave him a freaking pizza bite. Nope.
It's really in there.
He doesn't want to kiss me. The sun is setting. It's beautiful. This guy's still sleeping. Karina, get the bucket, please. Sun's down. We got the lamp. That's
Mommy, it smells good. Have you smell it? We have some smells.
Thanks for joining us for a day at the beach. Say bye, Miguel.
Bye.